Hello students. In earlier video we had learned about what is meant by subset, okay, universal set, and how to draw the Venn diagram. Now in this video we will learn about practice set 1.3 and solve some examples here, okay. So first question is what here? If A is equal to set A, B, C, D, E, then B set includes what how many elements? That is C, D, E, F. C set includes B and D element. D set includes A, E. Then which of the following statements are true and which are false? Okay. So there are the number of statements given here. So we will check one by one. Okay. So first statement is what? First, C subset of B. We want to check this one. So write down C set. What is the C set here? What are the elements? That is B and D. Okay. Then write down which set? B. So write down B set. C, D, E, F. And we want to check here what? C is the subset of B. So check all the elements of C is present on B or not. Okay. B is present on small b is present on set B? No, this is not present. D is present but B is not present. So therefore, what? Therefore, the given statement is false. Okay. The given statement is false because all elements of set C are not present in set B. Okay. So therefore this statement is what? This statement is false. Okay. So check next statement. That is second. A is a subset of D. So write down A set. A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, and write down D set. D is equal to A, E. Okay. Then check A is the subset of D. So check here. A is present on D. B is not present. C is also not present. D is also not present. Only E is present. Matlab means there are three elements which are not present in D. So therefore this is the subset of D or not? Yes, this is not a subset of D. That means the given statement is false because all elements of set A are not present in set what? D. Okay. Similarly check the third statement, that is D is the subset of B. Okay. Whether D is a subset of B. So write down the elements of D. So D set is here A and E. Then write down the element of B here, that is C, D, E, F. So check the elements of D. That is A is present on B? No, this is not present. And E is present, but one element is not present here. Therefore the given statement is false because all elements of set D are not present in set B. Okay, so this statement is also false statement. Clear? Then fourth, what is the fourth here? That is D is a subset of A. So check this D, write down the D set, that is D set of what? AE, and write down the set A. What is the set A? A, B, C, D, E. So check the elements of D, all elements of D present in A or not. So A is present, E is present, yes, E is also present. So therefore all elements of D is present on set, in set A. So therefore the given statement is true. Okay, the given statement is what? True, because all the elements of D present in set A. Clear? So this is true statement. Next, fifth one, that is B is the subset of A. B is subset of A or not. So write down the contents of B set, that is C, D, E, F, and then next set is what? A. So write down the contents of A, that is A, B, C, D, E. So check all the elements of B are present in set A or not. Okay, so check here. C is present, yes, C is present. D is also present. Okay, then E is present, but F is not present in set A. So therefore the given statement is false, because all elements of set B are not present in set A. Okay, understand? Then last one, sixth one, that is C is the subset of A or not. We want to check this one. So write down C set, that is what are the elements of C, that is B and D. Then what are the elements of A, that is A, B, C, D and E. So check this. So check the elements of C are present of in set A or not. So B is present, yes, B is present. D is present, yes, D is also present. So therefore the given statement is true. Okay, the given statement is true. Clear? Because all the elements of set C are present in set A. Okay. Okay, next question. Take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as universal set. Okay, we want to take the universal set which holds what? Natural numbers from 1 to 20. And show set X and Y using Venn diagrams. Okay, and we want to show the set X and Y by using the Venn diagrams. So first is what? How to calculate X here, that is X such that X belongs to natural number and X lies between 7 and 15. So how to solve this? Okay, so first, when we solve first, what is the universal set here? That is universal set contains elements from 1 to 20. Okay, so write down universal set here, that is U. Capital U represents what? Universal set. So capital U is equal to, curly bracket open, universal set starts from what? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to what? 20. So up to 20. Clear? Next, what is the X here? That is X is equal to X such that X belongs to natural number and 7 less than X less than 15. Okay, means X lies between what? 7 to 15. Okay, so what are the elements of X, actual elements of X? That is 7 holds not. Okay, that is 8. It starts from 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and then 14. 15 is not included. Okay, so these are the elements of what? Set X. So tell me here, X set includes what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and U set includes what? It includes number from 1 to 20. Means it includes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 also. Okay, that means we can say that here, say that X is the subset of U. Yes, X is the subset of U, correct? Okay, and then we want to show this by using the Venn diagram. Okay, so draw one rectangle. Rectangle for what? Rectangle for universal set. So draw one rectangle here. Next, put a U. Clear? Then draw the one circle inside this rectangle which holds what? Subset, that is set X. Okay, so write down the all elements of this, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, these are the elements of set X, and this is X is subset of Y, what? U. So apart from this, or skip these numbers and write down the remaining numbers. Okay, it starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 includes here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Write down 15, then 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Because 20 is the last limit. So up to 20 number you have to fill here. Okay. Clear how to draw this diagram? Okay. Next second one. What is Y here? First of all, write down universal set. What is universal set? It includes numbers from 1 to 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 20. Okay, up to 20. Then write down Y set. Y is equal to, curly bracket open, Y such that Y belongs to capital N and Y is prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, Y set related to what? It related to the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, so write down the primes number from 1 to 20 in Y set. So first prime number is what? 2. Prime numbers are those numbers which is divisible by itself or 1. Okay, so 2, then 3, then what? 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and then 19. Okay, so these are the prime numbers between 1 to 20 here. So just tell me here, Y is the subset of U? Yes, because Y holds what are the elements of Y? That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and all these elements are present in universal set. Okay, so therefore Y is the subset of universal set. Clear? So you should draw this with the help of one diagram, that is Venn diagram. So draw this. This rectangle part represents universal set. Then draw one circle inside this which includes which represents what? Subset, that is Y. Okay, and then write down the Y element here, that is 2, 3, then 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay, next, those elements are not in the subset, so write down these elements outside this one. Okay, that is 1, 2 is present, 3 is also present, 4, 5 is present, 6, 7 is there, 8, 9, 10, 11 is also there, that is, then 12, 13 is there, 14, 15, 16, 17 is there, then 18, 19 is there, then 20. Okay, so this is the Venn diagram of this question, or of this question है. Okay, clear? So these are the two questions from practice set 1.3. Okay, in next video we will discuss about question number 3 and 4. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you.